Hi guys, I'm Zara Fagan. I am with ZaraPhD.com. I'm the author of Minimalist Homeschooling and the creator of Simple is the New Smart. And today I am talking about our time and specifically how we are consumerists with our time. And hear me out, because you may be non-materialistic when it comes to physical belongings. You may feel like you're pretty frugal, but then suddenly when we start talking about our time, we realize that we do carry some consumerist mindset traits. So let's first of all identify what those look like. Number one, keeping up with the Joneses. This is probably the one you think of first, right? This idea that we look at what everybody else has. We may not care what kind of car the neighbor is driving, but suddenly when we start homeschooling, we really care about what everybody else is doing, right? Suddenly we want to know what everybody else is doing in their homeschools, and we want to compare that to our own homeschools. And this is a very consumerist mindset. It's keeping up with the Joneses. Second of all, the other consumerist mindset that we see is living on the brink of your resources. And in this case, I'm not just talking about your money, although that is a thing, living paycheck to paycheck and spending your money as soon as you get it. But we also do the same thing with our time and our energy. We spend every little bit of it that we have. We don't keep any in reserves too often. And that leaves us feeling stressed and depleted. And with our time, sometimes we live beyond our means. Let's be honest. Sometimes we overschedule and we spend more time than we have. And then we try to figure out why we can't get it all done, right? And so the next way that we have a consumerist mindset is that we want it all. And in the case of our time, we want to do it all. The grass is greener. There's this new bright and shiny thing. It is the opposite of being content with what we already have. It's looking for more and more and more and more, right? And number four, feeling like there's never enough. This scarcity, the sense of scarcity, right? That we don't have enough. We don't have enough time. We wish we had more time. Why can't I get it all done? This is a very consumerist mindset about our time. And so when I talk about minimalist homeschooling, there's this idea that we live in a temporal space and a physical space. And it's possible for us to hoard and have clutter, not just in our physical belongings, but also in how we spend our time. I would love to hear in the comments which one of these sort of resonates with you, because I have been guilty of all four. I have looked around and compared at what everybody else is doing and compared that to my own schedule. I have seen new, bright, and shiny things and wanted to do it all. I have overscheduled and lived beyond my means when it comes to my time. And I have also fallen prey to feeling like there is just not enough time. When in reality, we all have enough time to do the most important things. So when we change our mindset, it becomes so much easier to change how we homeschool, to be really intentional with our time. Okay, so stuff comes in different forms. It doesn't just refer to physical stuff. There's also the doing of life that can clutter our lives and clutter our minds and create a lot of overwhelm and stress and a feeling of lack of control. And the biggest issue I see here is that we get so concerned about whether there will be enough time that we don't enjoy the time we have. Does this describe you? How often do I see this? People can't enjoy the minutes and the moments that they have because they are so worried about whether there will be enough minutes to do all the things that they have planned, right? And so we turn into drill sergeants. And so we can lead this charge to stop glorifying busyness and exhaustion. Somewhere along the line, somebody started glorifying mothers burning the candle at both ends. And I would like this to stop, because there is a cost to doing too much, right? There is a cost to our peace. There is a cost to our happiness. There's a cost to our relationships. There's a cost to my clean laundry, right? My laundry doesn't get done if I schedule too much. That's what's going to fall off. And so my question to you is, when you overschedule, what falls off? Right? And if it's your peace, please stop scheduling things that are not more important than your peace of mind, because your peace does have a value and our time has a value. All right, I talk a lot about time. Go ahead and click on the next video I have queued up here for you if you want to talk more about your time in your homeschool, and go ahead and subscribe so that you get all of my videos, because this is a topic that's near and dear to my heart. I also have links in the commentary details below. So I will see more of you soon. And until then, I am wishing you all the simple things. Bye, guys.